All right, let's go inside, check out the lobby. We have the lobby right here, pretty small and quaint. From the lobby, we do come down and see this cool chair made out of quarters, actually. And then down here, we do have the coffee shop open all day. There's fitness and yoga in there. Clients and guests welcome. There is an entrance from the outside. We do have an ATM. Had a breakfast sandwich and then a pumpkin cheesecake something something. A nice egg sandwich on a nice bun, a little bit crunchy, good caramelization, some sun-dried tomato sauce in there as well. How about some cheese? All right, we got the nice water in the background. Let's try our sandwich first. Looks like some really incredible bread. This is a reheated sandwich, but the eggs are still very fluffy. Flavorful eggs too. It's not just salt and pepper. You can see some seasoning inside, and that roasted tomato or that tomato sauce is coming through. Part of the bread is a little bit tough, but we'll get through that. Let's see what's inside this cheesecake something something. Yes, cheesecake pumpkin cheesecake filling, gooiness all the way in there. I asked them to warm it up a little bit. It might be warm, I can't really tell, but we'll enjoy it anyways. This is very soft, definitely filled to the brim. Pumpkin is in season. It's like a brioche bun. I can taste the pumpkin for sure. It's seasoned, not too sweet, not too spicy. Solid. I'm not the hugest pumpkin fan. Just wanted to try it. It was pretty good. I don't know if I'll get it again, but I appreciate the craft in this. A lot of good seating over here for work or when the restaurant is open to enjoy. Very bright still at this time. And this room actually overlooks the pool, which is right out there. We have the pool right here. Nice pool area. Let's see how it feels. Very warm, actually. Very, very warm. Lots of gas lamps around here. Looks like there are some rooms that you can rent out or have to yourself. Lots of seating out here. The canopies that you can rent. String lights, a little bit of a heater. Definitely cool vibe. Got the Nomi out there, whatever that means. This is the outdoor pool area, and this is a cool vibe. Definitely feels more retro, I would say. On this side, we do have some towels, and then there are restrooms here as well. Looks like there's a faux fire pit over here. There's a propane tank in there, so they might have like a fire lit over here or something like that. But this is the outdoor pool. And then the main restaurant's right here, and I believe they're only open for dinner. Artisan has a 4.5 rating on Google. It is pretty expensive. The cheapest entree is $28, and there is an entree that's on up to 98 bucks. And then we come over to the fireplace area that is very nice. Come down to another common space where you can find some water throughout. A bunch of tables, couches, and chairs, and look, we have a fireplace, piano as well. This is a really cool space. Actually, a lot of people have been hanging out here. I can feel the heat from the fire pit and some of the best seats in the house, or the best seats in the house, looking out into the water on these cool leather seats. We do have some fur type or skins on the bottom. This place is a vibe. You step outside of the property. Couple of fire pits here, but there's no tables at this time in the season, I would say. It says join us on the patio. There is a bar out there during the season. This is the patio for the main restaurant, and over here is an outdoor space for everyone to enjoy. Seating all around this hotel can soak up the views of the water, socialize with folks. During the season, this middle part is a bar. We do have bocce ball for you all to enjoy and play. You can keep score on the wall right there. Many different fireplaces on this property, which I love. You can see the outdoor pool is right through there. And this is the patio. Great views of the water, access to the beach. There is a good amount of sand here on property for the beach. They do have chairs over there as well. Another part of the outdoor space. These are the event spaces as well, so they can extend outside. Over on the beach, there are chairs, and it looks like there is a place for you to play checkers, as well as there's more lawn chairs over here. Looks like there is a steeple for you to get married potentially. And then they have the games where you play, where you throw the ball at the thing that stands up. I actually do like this game. I don't know what it's called. Plenty of activities here on property, lots of place to sit and enjoy the views and being outside. For the side entrance is the main entrance for the ballrooms that are on property. Through this hallway, we have the outdoor pool to our left, and I think the indoor pool entrance is straight ahead. We make our way to the indoor pool, very close to the outdoor pool. You need your key to get inside. It's a nice atrium, very warm in here. We have those windows up top all around. It feels warm in here. The floors look like this, pretty cool. Drains itself. The water feels warm as well. And then we have a hot tub. Also, there is a sauna right here. Good size sauna. Oh yeah, it's hot. Good size sauna. Heat controls out here. Bathrooms out here as well. This is the indoor pool here at the Delamar in Traverse City, Michigan. Here on the second floor, we do have the fitness center, open 24 hours. We come inside. To our right, we do have towels, a place for you to throw them out. Cable machine. We'll zoom out. We got some Peloton, water and cool towels, ellipticals. We have a fan in here that's blowing. It is pretty hot. A scale in the corner. And yeah, this is about it. It's a long gym, another water fountain here. Got some mats here. Very interesting space. It does overlook the pool. And then we have some jump ropes right there, which is really cool. You don't see that very often. We have a loft gym, I'm gonna call it. A loft gym. Also on the second floor, it looks like we have a balcony that's closed right now, but it looks like it overlooks the outdoor pool. From the gym over there, we have guest laundry right here. Looks like you can use coins. And we're back into the hallways. Exiting the elevators, a cool little area right outside here. You can sit with a cool wallpaper design. This mirror is actually really cool as well with that nice natural wood. Ice machine on this floor. And then we get into the rooms. Take a look at the front door. We are here in room 222. Looks about the same as most room. The maximum room rate is $7.99 per night. We come over here and have an open concept closet with some drawers. We do have robes at this property. We'll turn around to see our bathroom with a sliding door. Inside we have kind of a teal-ish tile that I actually really like. We have a mirror with the lights all around. There are a couple of buttons that you can press for the dim, but we'll turn that back on. I do like it to be on. More teal or turquoise or whatever color accents here with our products. Also for our soap as well, I believe. Isn't that a luxury brand or something? We have gold trim there. Some towels. And then you have to step up to go to our shower. Some teal, what do you call them? Teal tiles. Then we turn around and then we see our shower head looks like that. Keep on turning around, then we'll see outside where our little mini bar is and our coffee Keurig. And then we have tea that looks like that. In here, what do we have? Some storage, and then a lot more storage in there. We have a cool monkey head vodka right there. The prices for everything is on that QR code. A little bit of books, maybe for decoration, maybe you can read it. Advertising some properties right there, or some products right there, I should say. We come into the room. Looks pretty spacious, especially with that corner. As we saw on the map, it does look like there's like a little point. We have two of these beds right here, a good sized TV, and then the mini fridge is under there. One bedside table. We got a little treat of some, what's that, some nuts or something. We have one of those nice charger alarms. And probably the best part of the room is this cove right here. A nice little desk. One is above, one is below. And then we have a chair with one of those ottomans or whatever you call it, and a plant, a nice plant. We have a view of the parking lot. Can't see any water from here. But folks, this is our room.